Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Science Hub. Myself Shreyas Patel. In this video, you will learn about identification of blood stains by using various methods. And we will also discuss about presumptive assays for identification of blood. So let's start. Various tests for identification of blood is divided into two main categories. The first category is presumptive test and the second one is confirmatory test. Presumptive tests are further divided into two groups. The first one is colorimetric assay and second one is chemiluminescence and fluorescence assay. There are three types of test, or we can say assays, in colorimetric assay. The first one is phenolphthalein assay, second one is leukomalachite green assay, and the third one is benzidine and its derivatives assay. In chemiluminescence, there is a luminol, and in fluorescence assay, there is a fluorescein will be used. The second category is confirmatory test. There are three main types of assays are carried out in confirmatory test. The first one is microcrystal assays, in which there are two types of tests are performed. The first one is Takayama assay and the second one is Teichmann assay. The second assay is spectroscopic examination and the third one is immunochromatographic assay. Let's see about presumptive tests for identification of blood. These tests are screening tests. Presumptive tests are easy to perform and very sensitive, and this test gives quick results for identification of blood. Presumptive tests are not only specific tests for blood, so it indicates the possibilities of blood in a sample. Let's move to mechanism of presumptive test. Mechanism. The chemistry employed in this assay is an oxidation reduction reaction catalyzed by heme, a component of hemoglobin. अब जो प्रिजम्पटिव टेस्ट की जो मैकेनिज्म है उसमें ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिडक्शन रिएक्शन होता है जो हीम कैटालाइज करता है, और हीम जो है वो हीमोग्लोबिन का एक कंपोनेंट है. हीम इज ए कलरलेस सबस्ट्रेट. What is oxidation? Oxidation is a loss of electron, whereas reduction is gain of electrons. Now the question is, what is oxidants? Oxidants are chemicals that can be reduced and therefore gain of electron from other molecules, and the reductants are chemicals that can be oxidized and therefore loss of electrons to other molecules. अब oxidants जो है वो reduce होके इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करेगा एंड जो रिडक्टेंस है वो ऑक्सीडाइज होके इलेक्ट्रॉन का लॉस होगा उसमें. द बेसिक रिएक्शन ऑफ दिस मैकेनिज्म इज एज फॉलो. AH2 which is colorless substrate plus H2O2 gives a color substrate plus 2H2O. This reaction is catalyzed by heme molecule. The first category is colorimetric assay. This assay is very sensitive. अब जो colorimetric assay है वो बहुत ही sensitive है but not specific. It can detect blood in sample with 10 raised to minus 5-fold dilutions. A positive reaction indicates the possible presence of blood. अब ये colorimetric assay है तो जब positive reaction होगी तो उसमें color change हो जाएगा. There are three types of colorimetric assays. The first one is phenolphthalein, second one is leukomalachite green, and the third one is benzidine and its derivatives. So let's move to phenolphthalein assay. It is given by Kastle-Meyer, so it is also known as Kastle-Meyer test. If sample is blood, then the phenolphthalein is oxidized by processing with H2O2 in the presence of heme It works as catalyst. The colorless substrate changes into colored oxidized substrate. अब यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि अगर ब्लड है और हम उसमें फिनोल्फ्थालीन ऐड करेंगे 1-2 ड्रॉप्स प्लस उसमें H2O2 ऐड करेंगे तो ब्लड का जो कंपोनेंट है हीमोग्लोबिन, उसमें जो हीम प्रेजेंट है वो इस रिएक्शन को कैटालाइज करेगा एंड फिनोल्फ्थालीन को ऑक्सीडाइज करके पिंक कलर फॉर्म करेगा। तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि फिनोल्फ्थालीन एसे में अगर पिंक कलर हमें मिलता है तो हम बोल सकते हैं कि ये ब्लड हो सकता है। The sensitivity of phenolphthalein assay is 1 gem 10,000. It means if 1 drop of blood were present in a bucket with 10,000 drops of water, the phenolphthalein test would still turn pink. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो कि पॉजिटिव रिएक्शन में पिंक कलर फॉर्म हुआ है। अगर एक ब्लड ड्रॉप में 10,000 ड्रॉप्स ऑफ वाटर भी मिला हुआ है तो भी ये फिनोल्फ्थालीन एसे का कलर पिंक कलर में चेंज हो जाएगा। सेकंड वन इज ल्यूकोमेलेकाइड ग्रीन एसे which is also known as LMG. In this, leucomalachite green dye is used. Triphenylmethane dye is used as malachite green. The leuco-based form of malachite green is colorless and can be oxidized by the catalysis of heme to produce a green color. अब जो malachite green का जो leuco-based form है वो colorless substrate है and हीम इस रिएक्शन को कैटालिसिस करके ग्रीन कलर फॉर्म करेगा और जो ल्यूकोमेलेकाइड ग्रीन का ऑक्सीडाइज फॉर्म है। द रिएक्शन इज एज फॉलो। इफ वी हैव अ ब्लड सैंपल देन वी एडेड few drops of leucomalachite green, then few drops of H2O2 is added. The reaction is catalyzed by heme molecule and the oxidized product of leucomalachite green, which is malachite green, is produced and the blue to green color is observed. The third category is benzidine and its derivatives. First we will see benzidine test. It is also known as Adler test. It was used as a presumptive assay for the purpose of detecting the presence of blood after the discovery that the oxidation of benzidine can be catalyzed by heme. It produces blue to dark blue color, and the blue color which is produced may eventually turn into brown color. Benzidine was found that it is carcinogenic. The reaction is as follow. If we have blood sample, then we have to add. If we have blood sample, then we have to add benzidine solution plus H2O2 and the reaction is catalyzed by heme molecule and blue to dark blue color is observed, and we can say this is the positive presumptive reaction for blood. The second one is orthotoluidine. It is a dimethyl derivatives of benzidine. अब जो ऑर्थोटोल्यूडिन है वो बेंजीडीन का डाइमिथाइल डेरिवेटिव है। इट्स ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन कैन बी कैटालाइज्ड बाय हिम। ऑर्थोटोल्यूडिन प्रोड्यूसेस ब्लू कलर। It is also carcinogenic as benzidine. The reaction is as follow. ब्लड सैंपल में हम ऑर्थोटोल्यूडिन ऐड करेंगे, उसमें H2O2 ऐड करेंगे अब ब्लड सैंपल है तो उसमें हीमोग्लोबिन प्रेजेंट होगा, तो उसकी वजह से हीम मॉलिक्यूल ये रिएक्शन को कैटालिस्ट करेगा एंड ऑक्सीडाइज सबस्ट्रेट फॉर्म होगा जो ब्लू कलर का होगा, और हम ये कह सकते हैं कि ये सैंपल ब्लड हो सकता है। And the third one is tetramethyl benzidine acid, which is also known as TMB. It is a tetramethyl derivative of benzidine. It is not carcinogenic and is used in forensic laboratories. अब ये जो टेट्रामिथाइल बेंजीडीन है वो बेंजीडीन की तरह एंड ऑर्थोटोल्यूडीन की तरह कार्सिनोजेनिक नहीं है, इसीलिए ये फॉरेंसिक लेबोरेटरी में यूज किया जाता है। It produces green to bluish green color for positive reaction of blood. The reaction is as follow. अगर ब्लड सैंपल है हम उसमें TMB का सॉल्यूशन ऐड करेंगे, उसके बाद H2O2 ऐड करेंगे और जो रिएक्शन वो हीम से कैटालाइज होगी तो ग्रीन टू ब्लूइश ग्रीन कलर फॉर्म होगा, जो ब्लड के प्रेजेंस होने का इंडिकेटिव रिएक्शन है। और जो ग्रीन टू ब्लूइश ग्रीन कलर मिलेगा उससे हम कह सकते हैं कि द सैंपल माइट बी अ ब्लड सैंपल। Hematics is also used for presumptive identification of blood. It is strips made up with reagent. It reacts with hemoglobin in blood sample. Reagent on hematics is diisopropyl benzene, dihydroperoxide, and tetramethyl benzidine. Color change range from orange to green to possibly blue with higher concentration of blood. The procedure for hematics is as follows. Slightly moisten the pad on the tip of the strip with water and rub the damp pad on the stain in a quiescent sample. Note that any color change within 60 seconds and compared to the chart on the bottle, more green indicates more hemoglobin. अब जो कलर ऑब्जर्व होगा वो 60 सेकंड के बाद हमें देखना है एंड ये जो बॉटल है उस पे कलर का चार्ट दिया होगा उसके साथ हमें मैच करना है। मोर ग्रीन कलर इंडिकेट्स मोर हीमोग्लोबिन, यानी कि जितना ग्रीन कलर डार्क होगा तो हम बोल सकते हैं कि उतना हीमोग्लोबिन ज्यादा है। In the next video, we will see about chemiluminescence assay, fluorescence assay, their advantages and disadvantages, and the various factors affecting the results of presumptive assay. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more such interesting videos. For quiz and study material related to videos, please visit www.thescihub.in. Thank you.